So guys, this is me, Mr. S. Jomo. Right now, I'm gonna give you the update regarding a falling of a local bridge at the bridge which connects Puroik colony. So guys, a hanging bridge connecting NH15 to Government Middle School, Puroik colony in Papu, Nallah, Naharlagun was washed away after a flooded stream surged through the area. The school campus was also inundated, disrupting connectivity and affecting students and residents amid continuing heavy rainfall in Arunachal Pradesh. So guys, this was the bridge which connects that particular school from Papu, Nallah, Naharlagun. Regarding this, let me show you a glimpse of the footage of it. Guys, you can see this bridge is completely washed away by the flood due to the continuously heavy rainfall. You can see this is the bridge, which connects this primary school of Puroik colony. You can see this is the bridge. Guys, this is a bridge. This bridge is you can see, guys, now it is a very dilapidated condition to cross this bridge. This happens due to the continuously heavy rainfall. You can see, guys, this is it. That's the school, primary school, Government Primary School, Puroik colony. This is the condition of the bridge. A very dilapidated condition right now. You can see, guys. Now in this bridge, no any person can cross. This is the condition of the bridge right now, you can see. Okay. This is it, guys. A very dilapidated. This was a very little teeny Nallah, but right now it seems like a river. I'm standing right at this bridge. That's the school. Condition of this bridge is there. That's the Government Upper Primary School, Puroik colony, Papu, Nallah. You can see. Condition is very dilapidated right now. This is it. So this happens due to the continuously heavy rainfall. Very dilapidated condition. This is the condition of the bridge. The bridge has been damaged. You can see. So condition of this bridge is now very dilapidated. So guys, thank you.